Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your phone is ready, unlocked, and with at least some battery. Once done, open Settings or pull down the quick tiles and tap the gear icon. This saves time versus hunting apps. You should check whether your VPN is running as a system profile or through an app. This determines where you turn it off. If you already see a VPN label under Network or Connections, make a note. That tells you the next screen to use. Now you navigate into Network and Internet, Connections, or a similar submenu. Android labels vary by maker, so look for VPN or Advanced. If the VPN is an app, open it and hit disconnect or toggle it off, because app-based clients control their own sessions. For system-installed VPN profiles, tap the VPN entry, then choose Disconnect or forget to stop automatic reconnects. Make sure to watch for a persistent status icon in the status bar. If it remains, repeat the disconnect step. Finish by verifying the VPN icon is gone from the status bar, and then test browsing to confirm traffic is not routed through a tunnel. If the icon persists, force stop the VPN app in Settings, right arrow Apps, or simply restart the device to clear stuck sessions. Make sure to disable any auto start permission so it doesn't relaunch. Troubleshooting tip: if disconnecting still fails, clear the VPN app cache or remove the system VPN profile. This forces a fresh configuration and typically resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.